Is it really possible that AI can replace software developer job? Is it really possible that AI can generate code? Is it possible? And it is happening right now. Okay. So my friend, if you are someone software developer and you are not leveraging AI, you're not using AI to generate code, and you might be wondering, is it really possible that my job is safe? So what I should do in the AI world, because AI is going to impact everybody life. Okay, so as a software developer, what are the opportunity, how to tackle this AI things and how to overcome this situation? So in this video, I'm going to share my view as a software developer, that how you can leverage AI and what is the roadmap going forward if you really want to sustain for the long term. Okay, so let's understand in this video as a software developer how AI is changing the entire game and how the company today are leveraging AI to write a code. So let's get started in this video. Okay, all right. So let's understand that how AI is changing the software development field. For that, I'm showing some news article just to support my thought. Okay, you can see that it is a news from an internet that Sundar Pichai from Google saying that AI can write 25% of the code. So today AI, the Google has a Gemini AI model. If you don't know, okay, so they are claiming that today AI, their model, they are leveraging their model, and 25% of the code base is written by AI. And I believe this percentage will increase going forward. Okay, so today what engineers are doing, if AI can write a code, so engineers are just reviewing the AI code. So you have to leverage the machine AI and just take the code, review it, restructure it, and put into the project. Okay, so and because of this, AI raises concern for entry level jobs. So today all big like product based company like Meta, like Microsoft, like Google, these all company has their own model. They have developed their own LLM model, right? So they are leveraging their model to generate code. This is happening right now, and because of that, you might have seen that there are a lot of layoff is happening. I'm not claiming that it's right or wrong, but a lot of companies, these big companies, are restructuring their portfolio because of AI. They are doing AI reorganization. Okay, so this is the capability today. Yeah, this is the fact. A lot of big company, product-based company, who are the leader into AI, because they have a model, they have trained their model is becoming more and more mature. So these models are capable of writing code. Okay, and let me give one more example of, it is called Devin AI. Okay, you just research on Google, and I have not experimented this, but this claim that it can completely replace a software developer. So it can do pretty much everything, like writing code, like deployment. You just go with it. Okay, I have not experimented it, but it has the capability to do everything which a software developer can do. It has all the capability, right? So yeah, this is the fact today. In today time, AI can produce code. There's no second thought about it. Okay, but what is happening in the industry? Let me explain that. Today in industry, I'm talking about from the Indian IT perspective. Majority of company are the like service based company, right? So today, yeah, this big company like Meta, like Google, they, because they have their own model, so they can leverage, they can do pretty much with them. But in Indian IT company, most of the company are service based company. I have seen that they have a restriction because they are working for the client, right? So they have a restriction that they cannot share the entire data of the client to this model because of data privacy. There's restriction on that. So I have seen that even this company today, in Indian company, they are not, maybe their employee, they are restricted to use that because of the security policy. But still you can use that. Okay, you can, I think you don't have to give the business scenario to this model. You don't have to share that data, but you can share the technical aspect. This is the technical scenario without sharing much data to model, and you can get the code. Okay, I'm giving example. Okay, for this example, You can see my code. This is a Java project, and I'm using a Spring Batch project, and you will not believe this whole code you can see I have not written. I'm using my personal project. Okay, so this whole code I have copy pasted from the chat GPT. I'm using AI model. Okay, so this model, I just told the model, okay, hey, this is my scenario. I want to build this kind of project. I have given the context, and from that context, it generated the entire structure. It gave me the all the code that what exactly you have to write the code. I just made some couple of changes like packages, simple changes, just restructure it, and my application is ready. So this is the capability. Okay, let me give one more example of Python project which I'm doing right now. So you can see this project. Okay, more than 80% code of this project has been written by AI. More than 80%. For example, recently this code Mongo. Okay, my Python is connecting with Mongo database. So for that, this whole code you can see I have not written 100%. More than 80% code I have generated using the Copilot. Okay, so if you don't know what is the Copilot, it's a AI tool which can help you to create a code. Like Gemini, Gemini has its own model. Okay, so you can add this model. You just go to extension, and in the extension you can just type. For example, I have already installed Gemini Code Assist. This is again from Google, which they have trained this model to create a code, or GitHub Copilot. Okay, so I'm using this tool. Okay, so for example, let me give example. For example, this Copilot. If you install the Copilot, it will show the icon here and open the chat. Okay, in the chat box, if you see that it store all the history. Okay, so I'm pretty much more than 80%, 90% I'm generating code from the only from Copilot from the AI. Okay, so for example, here I'm just let me give one simple example. For example, okay, for example, suppose I want to insert new document in the MongoDB. Suppose I don't know. Okay, so I give this instruction key how to insert new document in Mongo, write code for that. Okay, and it is given me entire the code, like you will do this connection string, get client, this everything. And it has given me insert. This is the new function they have created. What is that? Insert new document. Okay, and it is connecting with client, getting the connection, inserting the document. It is just accepting document, connecting. So it is, I mean, what I'm trying to say here, that you don't have to write the entire code from scratch. You just ask this model, and they will create the code, they will create the structure, and you just copy paste, just restructure, just change it. Okay, this is the capability. So this way I'm doing a lot of things. You can see that I'm this file. Okay, this whole file I have created only using this is the this is the proof I'm showing with you. Okay, this way it has a capability to produce code. Now, you might be wondering, as a software developer, what is the roadmap for me if AI can write a code? Okay. See, in Indian context, in Indian IT context, if I talk about, still a lot of company are, because see, in Indian context, company are service-based company, they are serving for client, so they don't want to share the code. Because they don't want to share the code, they don't want to share the business context. So still a lot of company has restriction. You cannot use this model. Maybe in your ID, you cannot install it because of some restriction. But still, you can leverage this tool. You just give the technical aspect. According to me, don't share the data, don't share the business context to this model because of restriction. You just keep some technical aspect. This is my technical scenario, and write a code for me. So this way you can leverage. So you will not violate any your company policy. Okay, but I believe going forward, this is my observation. I can be wrong. Maybe going forward, even Indian IT companies, all company will start leveraging this model. Maybe they can do a tie-up with this like Meta, Microsoft, and they can get a customized kind of their model. They can deploy the model on their server, in their cloud, and this way there will be no any data breach. Okay, I'm just making up. Okay, so this way, and what is going to happen if you start leveraging this model, this AI, to generate code? your productivity will be higher. Just imagine the thing which you can achieve in 6 days, 5 days, you can achieve in single one day. It is the power. So your productive going to become very high. But one thing, the drawback is that maybe you will not apply your brain. Okay, the logic that you can apply your logic, your brain to write an algorithm, to write the logic. Maybe you will not do that. Okay, but I would say, according to me, you can apply a hybrid approach, maybe 50% depend on AI, 50% depend upon your apply your mind, because your intelligence as a software developer is also important. You cannot rely on machine completely, but machine are capable. Machine are capable for do that. Okay, so my friend, what is the roadmap going forward? I just want to conclude here. I would suggest you as a software developer, you focus more on soft skill set like client interaction, solving the client problem, right? Interacting with the client, presenting your idea, right? So these are the, because these things AI is not Apple, AI is not doing right now, right? So you can shift uh, your expertise. Not you just not only focus on writing code. You take more challenging role in the team, focus on client interaction, add more value in the company. Okay, if you really want to survive, if you really want to grow in this AI space, otherwise it will be very difficult. This is my observation. I can be wrong, okay, but don't know. Going forward, AI is going to do a lot of things. Okay, so this is all in this video. I hope you got the clarity. And if still you're not leveraging this tool AI, and I will suggest you start leveraging, because it is going to happen sooner or later. It is going to happen. Okay, this is all in this video. This is Raj signing off. I will come back with a more video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you very much.